Alright, welcome back, and then we're going to do part 2 of our solving the Rubik's Cube. We just finished the bottom layer and the T's on each side, and now we're going to solve the middle layer, the edges. First thing you want to do is sometimes you're going to have ones that already line up. Orange, white, part right here. Okay? That's good. Otherwise, you're going to have starts like this, orange and blue, and that's white and red. That does not match up anywhere. Alright? So first off, you're going to find some cubes that have the part you want, like red and yellow. You want this one down here, so it can be red, yellow. So what you're going to have to do is, obviously you can't just take the piece out and put it there. That's wrong. You're going to have to use an algorithm for this. Here's your first algorithm that you're going to have to do. You have to go up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up. That way it lines it back up, and then front. Alright? That way you've got that piece put in there, red and yellow, and you still didn't mess up your other ones, orange and white. Now we have another one. We have the red and white one, which shouldn't be there, so we need to find another piece. Sometimes you won't find the right one you need. Just go with what you have. We have this yellow one right here, so we're going to have to do the yellow and orange one, put it right here, yellow and orange. So this just happens to put it right again. So we're going to do up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Alright? And that way we now have that yellow and orange piece right there, orange and white piece, and our red and yellow piece still there. Now we have one more piece to do. And this is just another one that you have to go to the right. Alright, so you're going to have to do up, right. Sorry. I messed up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. Alright, you have to do up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. There we go. We've just solved our second layer. Now you might have some problems with this, and you might get a sequence wherever it doesn't quite match up, and you're gonna have some problems because you need to find a piece. Let's find one real quick, and you need to bring it to the left. This one, orange and yellow, it needs to go to the left. So here's your other algorithm that you can use. You need to go up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. And there you go. That puts that orange and yellow piece right there. And there you go. You've solved your middle two layers. Now all that's left is to solve this top layer, which is going to be a big hassle. The first thing you want to do is you're going to have one of three things. You're going to have just this blue dot right here. Disregard the corners again. Just this blue dot. You might have an L, or you might have the plus, or you might have a line. But what you want to get is the plus, like we did with this green side. You want to do it again, but you have some special algorithms for that. So the first thing you want to do is, remember, is use this algorithm if you just have the plus or anything else. You want to go front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Notice we're not messing up any of the bottom because of these algorithms. Now we have the L in the corner. You want to hold it so the L is up this way and do the same algorithm. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. There we go. Now we got a line. Disregard the quarters. We got a line. You want to do it one more time. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. And there we go. We've got our plus. Now what you want to do is you should have some sides that match up. Normally you might have no sides that match up. This time we do. We have the orange and white one that match up. But these two are wrong. So no matter what situation you're in, you want to get to this situation where you have two sides that match up, hopefully. If they're on opposite sides, it's okay. If they're only one, it's okay. If there's none, that's okay. Just will take longer. You want to have it so that one side is in your right hand, the other side is in the back, and then you're going to do this algorithm. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, up, then right inverted. And then spin it, and you should have your red, yellow, orange, and white match up if you're in that situation. This may take multiple times, and you're going to experiment on your own, see what works, but that's essentially what you want to do for that one. Alright, now all that's really left is getting these in the right places, because if we twist this right here, it's going to be completely wrong. So what you want to do is try finding one that's in the right area. In this case, we don't have any. But you want to try finding one that's in the right corner. If you don't have any, still do this algorithm. You want to go up, right, up inverted, left inverted, up, right inverted, up inverted, and then left inverted. That way we still didn't mess up any of our cubes, and now we do have
the orange one in place.
One in the right area. It's good. We got one. Now when you get any in the right area, you want to put that in the bottom right hand corner and do the algorithm again. Some people like thinking of it as like this. Up, away from you, up inverted, away from you, up, towards you, up inverted, towards you. Some people like thinking of it like that. Personally, it doesn't matter to me. And look, now we got two sides solved. That's good. And we only have two more sides to permutate. So now you want to make sure these are in the right area. You shouldn't have to do that step more than 2 times. If you do, then you're doing something wrong. And now this is the hardest part, I think, because you have to do this right. If you mess up once, your whole cube is messed up, and you're going to have to start all over again. Alright, you want to do right. You want to put this, the cube that you want to permeate, right here. You want to go right inverted, and then down inverted, right, and then down. Okay? You want to go right inverted. You want to keep doing this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Good. We got that in the right place. Now you want to spin it until you get the next cube in the bottom right hand corner. That's wrong. And then you want to do right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Alright, look. If you look, we're almost done with the Rubik's Cube. All you have one more to do is turn it left. And you've just solved your first Rubik's Cube.